Oh, he on his rockstar shit. What's good, everybody? It's your boy JRE. Right now, we about to check out Taeyang Bad. It's the first song out of the album. Boy, if you make a music video to, I swear to God, Taeyang, I swear to God, if you make a music video to Open Up with Kid Leroy, Love Like This is gonna kill my ass. Yes, it's gonna kill my ass. Now it's gonna kill my ass. A lot of ass is gonna be killed. Do I need captions? I guess so. It looked like a brawl about to happen. I'll fight 10 people for you, Taeyang. That's a lie. I don't know about 10 people. I'll get my ass beat though. I mean, if you want me to get my ass beat, I might get my ass beat. Anyways, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. This still do remind me of like a Drake type beat. Do you love me? Do you love me? Why are they wearing that porcupine? Oh, he on his rockstar shit. I mean, me, when I'm trying to get tickets to that Taeyang Big Bang concert. Damn, they really trying to reach for you. Hey. You really on his shit. Oh. Love that hate. Beating ass. No, breaks. When I move. Ooh, okay, choreo. My face. Ooh. That whole tore up shirt. I swear he got that hat from G-Dragon's closet too as well. I said it last time, but I'm gonna keep on that. This is some twerking music. Left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek. Okay. Come through. No breaks. Burr. When I move. Change it up. Oh, that cute in the background too. Bang! Gold. In control. Game. What the fuck? It's a continuation of Baby? That's crazy that they put me in the music video. I'm the horse. Oh. Oh, what's next? That means there's a continuation. There has to be a music video. I hope it's... Is it Love Like This? Is it Go? It could be anything, to be honest. It could be anything. This is straight up twerking music. High key. I like that he jumps in the crowd right here. That transition right here. Boom. To be honest, if the next one is Love Like This, I'm gonna lose my shit. I'm gonna get naked. I'm gonna get naked right then and there. No, I won't do that. I'm a grown ass man. I'm not gonna do that shit. That's some old young Dre shit. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Taeyang's Bad music video or film, basically. I did like the vibe. I like the black and white. I like what he's wearing. I definitely still think that it is from G-Dragon's closet. I don't know about all the people wearing masks in the whole... Is that us? I'm guessing that's us. They got shoulder pad. Dang, he took a huge ass jump. You see that shit? Boy, you grew like what, 6 feet tall right there. They look like BDSM masks. I don't know nothing about that. I don't know. I do like this. I like the bird's eye view of that. I like the visuals here too. I need to see this live. You think he performed this live already? Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to do, it might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.